Hello everyone, I am Rupesh sir. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are watching our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our channel. If you like the videos, please give like and share the videos with your friends and classmates. So now we are defining relations and some image domain, codomain range, that and all we will define in this class. Before that, in last class we have studied about Cartesian product order pair. So if you have not watched those videos, please go through that. The link is in the description box. Please go through that and come back, because so to define the relation Cartesian product, mainly push-ups has to define a relation. So please go through that A cross B, that and all what we have defined in Cartesian product, that and all. So please go through that video and come back. Now to define a relation, I need to have two sets. So I will define first set with three elements, A, B, C. Now set B as some names. So I will write Anu, Arun, Babu, Chandru. So here in set A I have three elements and in set B I have four elements. So I need to define A cross B. I need to define A cross B, that is Cartesian product. So A cross B, okay na? A cross B. So I will write A comma Arun, A comma Anu. So to define all those things, earlier I have said that please go through those videos if you are not familiar with that. So I am simply writing that, I think you can understand. A comma Arun, A comma Babu, A comma Chandru. Then B comma Anu, B comma Arun, B comma Chandru. Similarly, C comma Anu, C comma Arun, C comma Chandru, here we have left out B comma Babu only, we have left out B comma Babu. Then so now I am defining A cross B, that is Cartesian product of A and B. If you are not familiar with Cartesian product, please go through that videos and come back. Again I will not say that. So A cross B, I will simply write by thinking you all know about Cartesian product. So using the order pairs, first order pair is A comma Anu, A comma Arun, A comma Babu, A comma Chandru, then B comma Anu, B comma Arun, B comma Babu, space is not there, B comma Babu, B comma Chandru, then C comma Anu, C comma Arun, C comma Babu, at last element is C comma Chandru. A comma Anu, A comma Arun, A comma Babu, A comma Chandru, B comma Anu, B comma Arun, B comma Babu, B comma Chandru. Then at last C comma Anu, C comma Arun, C comma Chandru, C comma Babu. These are the elements of A cross B. So to define relation, so A is there, Anu is there. So to define a relation, so I will say this set, this element as X and this element of Y. So define relation. I want to have, there will be a relation between X and Y. Like that we need to define some relation. I will define that R is equal to x comma y, where, so I need to arrange the elements of this A cross B like x is a elements of R, I will say like this. So I will say like this. Wait. So I want to define a relation. So to define that, I will say element A as x, element Anu as y. So in between x and y, there should be a relation. Like that, I will define one relation. So you can observe that R is equal to x comma y. So element should be like this, where x is relation, or x is the first element, x is the first element of y. So you can directly write what are the elements of R. So x means first element is A. So y should be the element that starts with the letter A, that is A comma Anu, A comma Arun. Is there any element in set B with starting letter A? No. So now I will go for B. So in B, what is the, in set B, what is the element, or which is the element starting with the letter B? Babu, right? Then with C, so other elements is not there, so I will jump to C. So C with Chandru, right? So now I can map like this. I will denote the set A like this. This is set A and this is set B. This is set A and set B. So this will be a relation from set. So this will be a relation. I will explain it. Come here. R is a relation. So let us define now. Now you can understand easily. So R is a relation. R is the relation R is, or the relation is denoted by letter R from set A to set B. From set A to set B, it will be a subset of Cartesian product. So here R we have defined now A comma Anu, A comma Arun, A, B comma Babu, C comma Chandru. So you can observe here A comma Anu, this one, A comma Arun, this one, so B comma Babu and C comma Chandru. These are the four elements of A cross B, right? These are the four elements of A cross B. That means R is a subset of A cross B, right? R is a subset of A cross B, right? Because all the elements of R is in A cross B. That is what they are saying. There should be elements of R should be in A cross B. That is what the definition says, that relation R from set A to set B will be a subset of, will be, these are the elements of relation R will be the subset of A cross B. So how does this subset arise? That is very important. By describing a relationship between the first element, X and second element Y. There is describing a relation. What is the relation here? So X is the first element of Y, that is A is the first element of Anu. That is what the relation. So in the order pair A cross B ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. So relation R from set A to set B is a subset of A cross B, Cartesian product A cross B. So the relation R from set A to set B is the subset of A cross B by describing the relationship between the first element and second element of the order pairs of A cross B. So this is what the relation says that. So I will relate them. So first element is A, B, C. So these are the elements. So here we have Anu, Arun, Babu, Chandru. RH is not there, I have written. So Chandru, relate them. So A Anu, A to Anu, A to Arun, B to Babu, C to Chandru. This is the relation, right? So these are the elements, 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the relation, A to Arun, A to Anu, A to Arun, B to Babu, C to Chandru. So this is the relation from set A to set B. These are the ordered pairs. These are the ordered pairs which are in set R, which are in the relation R, is the subset of A cross B. This is what the relation says that. I think you have understood the concept of relation. Now let us go for image. So what is the image of A? So simply by general I have say X. So if X is there, Y is here. So the image of X is Y, like that. For A, what is the image? For A, Anu is the image. For A, Arun is the image. Here we have 2 images for A. Similarly for B, we have Babu as image. For C, Chandru as image. For X, Y as image, right? So this is generally I have said, this is not the elements of this set. So A to Anu, A to Arun is the images of A. Arun and Anu is the image of A. Babu is the image of B. Chandru is the image of C. So this is what about image. What is domain? Domain means set of all first elements. So first element, set of all first elements are called as domain in R. So in relation R, so this A, B, C, these are the domain. So then what is codomain? So codomains are Anu, Arun, Babu, Chandru. So this one are codomain. You all learnt about image, domain and codomain. Now range. What is the range? Range is the second element. So codomain, if you have any other element D which is not mapped, so this will be also codomain, because set of all elements B, set of all elements of B are called as codomain. Set of all elements of A is called as a domain. Okay na? Now, so what is range? Range means set of all second elements. Anu, Arun, Babu, Chandru, these are the second elements, right? So these are range for that. I think you have understood what is relation, what is image, domain, codomain and range. So we will jump into some examples now. Then the concept relation, I will take another one example. So I have set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have relation. I need to define a relation. So this is a relation between one set, that is set A to set A. So there will be a relation from set A to set A only. There will be a relation of that the elements will be x comma y, where y is equal to x plus 1, where x belongs to A, y belongs to A. X and y should lies in A. So y should be like this, x plus 1. So now let us write the elements of R. So first I will take 1 as x. So 1 plus 1, 2, right? So x plus 1 means x is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now I will take 2 as x. So then we will get 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 I will take. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, we can't take because 6 is not in A. So y does not belongs to A. Then if 6 does not belongs to A, so I can't write that. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5 is the elements of this relation. Here, so here the set A is denoted like this. This is set A and this is also set A. The relation between, so the relation is denoted by R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Then 2 to 3. 3 to 4. 4 to 5. Here for 5 we don't have image. Here for 1 we don't have pre-image. So we have defined a relation from set A to set A. This is a relation we can understand, but what is image? What is image? So for 1 what is image? 2. For 2, 3 is the image. So first elements, for the first element, second elements in the order pair, they are the images, right? So 1 is the, so 2 is the image of 1, 3 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 3, 5 is the image of 4, like that. Then domain, set of all elements of A is called domain. So these are domain. So these are codomain. These are codomain. Now what is range? Range is 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write like this. 2, 5 is the range. 1 will not include because that is not the second element. That is not the second element. So is there any 1 in seconds? Not there. So that is not the second element. This is the range 2, 5. Closed interval of 2, 5. That is 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what? That is the range. So range. I think you have understood the concept.